Get him go. Alright.
The weapon did stick now, good kid.
Ready to do battle.
Looks sick.
You're going down, Bellows operator.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
The furnace at all costs.
What you're doing, bro.
When you guys want to hero?
What do you think, right now?
I've always done it at the beginning.
Go for it, go for it.
Your crimes.
Got him.
Okay, I'm gonna throw bombs.
Do it. I wish haste made your rend faster. What do I do with rupture, by the way?
Bomb. You get a bomb.
Get those
Oh, okay.
bells popping.
Who else wants a bomb? You get a bomb. You want a bomb? You get a bomb.
Jenny Winfrey.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Everybody gets a bomb. One
Hand-
more.
Handing out them bams.
Go for it, Druid. Go take it. Go take it.
We gotta take some bombs to this side, though, right?
Yeah, they both have to go
There
down.
you go.
Calling
Alright.
If
more security.
I get a bomb, I'll displace you.
Beware. The machinery is damaged. Keep you scum from sabotaging the
This is a cool
furnace.
fight.
I think a lot of these fights are fun.
Fuck that. Definitely prefer this over Highmall.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. High Mall is probably like, I mean, there are some fun fights in High Mall, I guess, but I think like the main thing for High Mall is just kind of like getting a raid out there so people can start getting their gear and whatnot.
Beware.
Yeah, I felt Harmall was like a stepping stone for BLACKROCK Foundry.
Alright.
Yeah.
Grabbing him.
Yeah, it was introductory.
Alright.
Are we allowed to kill the foreman or nah?
You get a bomb. I'll give you a bomb.
He did.
Who else wants a bomb?
Beware.
Mr. Drew.
You get a bomb.
Here, dude.
Or more to give. Go for it, team.
Over here.
Alright.
The furnace is overheating.
It's dropped.
If the fury
I
breaks
think
free,
bombs on the other side.
our work will be beware.
This is hype over here.
has broken free.
Uh-oh.
I'm going over to the other side.
GG, don't die.
Those bells have still found. Second phase.
We have it
under control. Oh, you guys got it. Alright, whoops, sorry, damaged you.
Trying to kill the operators first, right? Still?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'll try to get a flag elemental.
Alright. Try to wrangle one of them.
Which one do you want to go first near blue?
Yeah.
That final elemental?
Yeah, that'd be good.
We just go clockwise up.
Yep, that's what we did last time. We
Beware.
pretty well.
Grabbing
don't
him.
pick him.
Okay.
Or else I run.
Okay.
Dead. JK, he died.
Flag bound.
Oh, interesting.
Bring her down.
He's like a tendril on spine.
Yeah.
Beware.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. You know, when you think about it, actually, yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Beware.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, let's kill this one. He's so close.
Bring him down.
Yeah!
Beware.
Yeah, you know.
Yep.
Yep.
Fiester!
She's so demanding.
I'm sorry.
Beware.
Do we have a res or no?
No.
Of course not.
1 minute 44 seconds.
They're
Yeah.
for attack.
Yeah, you can have res.
Of course.
Think about how you died.
Beware.
Yeah.
Not today.
More smooth than last time.
Yeah.
This is smooth.
Wow.
Wow.
Volatile fire means run.
Yep.
Someone hug me.
Just stand away from the group.
Beware.
Jenny.
Get away from people.
No,
Hello, Jennifer.
don't hurt me.
My MTO freaking cliff.
Fuego!
We're gonna make it.
Oh, wait, bro.
Barely.
Oh yeah. Get this other slag fella over there.
Why is this so smooth? Like,
I don't
we
know,
just-
last week was scary.
I feel like the strategy is just like,
Well, people got like a whole other week to like learn it.
That's true.
We got them gears.
And by whole other week I mean like a actual week of having played it before. Because last time it was the first week of it, so.
That's true.
oh,
Beware.
time goes by when you're ready.
You had like 3 weeks to try it on PPR.
Oh, lava.
Who plays
That's
PCR?
true.
It's way too treasure.
Remember if you get the melt, you put it on the.
Beware.
Yay! Alright, let's kill everybody.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
Everybody!
A small beware. But now you will
Ranged in the back, right? Yeah.
that burns at the heart
Oh.
of BLACKROCK.
Volatile fire does what? I will explode in 8 seconds. Oh, that sounds lovely.
Yeah.
Great.
Good luck!
Great.
Beware.
I exploded?
You'll be
Okay. I didn't feel like I exploded, but it's alright.
filled. There's a huge thing right in our way. It's awesome.
Beware.
Don't tell me.
Pretty sure the slag elementals don't die.
Yeah, don't
Move
stick
him out
to
of
the
this,
spawn.
move him out of the stuff.
Yeah, it's all like elementals just go dormant.
Okay.
Beware.
It's not
Doesn't mean you can't pat them meters.
I'm patting them. Can't stop me. There we go.
All of them. Just
Get dormant. Fixate on me. What does that mean?
That is
One of
like
the
elementals.
slag guys is on you.
Oh,
yeah, that's not a big deal.
alright.
They shoot burn at you.
I ran away
I,
just preemptively, you know, just in case.
That's smart.
Thank you, baby.
As soon as my stacks fall off and fall.
Beware.
So much rage with all these reds going. Oh my god. Sick nasty.
By the way, I'm trying to apply a different additional rendage. What if you got rage from every rend in the raid?
That would be.
Beware.
The warrior spirit right there.
Pick him up, get him.
Now we just need Ren to stack like 10 times and then we'll be good.
This guy's going down.
Beware.
Butt blasting. Blast.
Oh yeah.
Nice job.
Oh yeah.
Got gold.
I got gold too.
Cash money.
Give me something that matters, Blaze, please. There goes all my